You want to make money online. Maybe you've thought about starting a Shopify store, but every time you look into it, it's just too much. Research the products, find suppliers, negotiate prices, build the store, write the listings, run the ads, reply to comments, manage emails. It never ends. And most people quit before they even make their first dollar. Here's the truth. It's not that the idea doesn't work. It's that doing all of that alone is genuinely impossible to keep up with. So what if you didn't have to? What if you could just tell an AI what you want, go to sleep and wake up to a store that's already live, products listed, campaigns running, suppliers contacted, orders coming in? That's exactly what Accio Work does. And in this video, I'm going to show you how, step by step. Let's dive in. Before moving forward, let me give you 30 seconds of context because it actually matters. Most of us have been using AI like this. You open ChatGPT or Claude, you ask it something. It writes you something nice. And then you still have to go do all the actual work. You copy the product description. You manually paste it into Shopify. You schedule the post yourself. That's not automation, that's just a faster way to do the same work. Accio Work is completely different. It doesn't just generate content, it executes tasks that actually generate money for you. It opens your browser, it logs into platforms, it sends emails, it posts to social media, it manages your store backend, all by itself. And here's why it's specifically built for business owners. Unlike general AI tools, Accio Work is backed by Alibaba.com's 26 years of real B2B trade data, over 1 billion products, over 50 million global business profiles. So when it picks a trending product or contacts a supplier, it's not guessing. It's making data-backed decisions that maximize profit. Think of it less like a chatbot and more like hiring an entire operations team that executes real-world business operations 24/7. Okay, let me show you exactly how I set this up. Alright, so I've got the desktop app open here. First thing, if you haven't downloaded this yet, the link is in the description. Download the Accio Work desktop app and unlock extra bonus credits available. So download it today, not tomorrow. Now, the very first thing I want to show you is this section right here. This is the Agent Hub. This is where the money-making magic begins. Every agent you set up is designed to either generate revenue or save you hours that would cost real money. This is where Accio Work stands out from every other AI tool. Instead of one generic assistant trying to do everything, you have a team of specialized agents, each one preloaded with specific skills for specific jobs. These agents are literally designed to handle revenue-generating tasks like product sourcing, store setup, marketing campaigns, and order management. Here you can see some ready-to-use agents. However, you can create a new agent also. To do that, click here and you will find various agent templates. For our Shopify store project, I'm going to select the Shopify operator agent right here. Now, we have to set some settings. Set the name, and then an avatar for the agent. After that, enter the agent description here in this box. Once the description is set the vibe, and in the end, set the model provider. Here, you will find all kinds of LLM models. Select which one you want to use. Once done, click on the Next button. On the next page, we have to set tools. You will find all the tools here. I think all the tools are necessary, I will keep them on. After that, you can set the workspace location from here. Next, we have to set the skills. Here, you will find a bunch of options. Each skill is meant for different work. This skill will help you pull out different tasks. That means it's not just an agent, it's a team working behind the scene. In the end, we have to enter our personal data, such as name, language, notes, and background. Once everything is set, click on Finish and Launch. Okay, our new agent is ready. I can designate him as the primary agent to form my agent team. Now before deploying it for automation, let's set other settings. First, we will connect to the platform for a smooth automation. So, come to the Connectors tab from Capabilities. Now let's deploy it. See all of these? Shopify, Gmail, Instagram, X, Telegram. Accio Work has already built direct integrations with all of these platforms. So your agents can actually log in and operate these tools on your behalf. Think of it this way. The agents are the brain, the connectors are the hands. And together, they can actually go out into the world and do real work. And here, look at the skills that come pre-installed. Market trend analysis, product listing builder, Shopify store operator, SEO optimizer. These aren't prompts it generates for you. These are actual executable skills. This agent knows how to interact with Shopify the same way a real employee would. You will find several other options also. However, we are pretty much done for today's tasks. So, let's get into the real business. I am selecting my Shopify agent. Now, before I give it the big task, I'm going to do one important thing. I'm going to go to Model Settings up here and switch to Claude Opus 4.6. This consistently gives me the best results on complex tasks. I recommend doing this every time. Okay, so here's the exact scenario I'm running. It's a busy afternoon. I'm out running errands and meeting clients. And while I'm away, I'm going to hand off my entire Shopify store operation to Accio Work. Products listed, campaigns running, orders processed, and let it handle everything in real time. Here's what I'm going to ask it to do in one single message. I'm typing, analyze today's trending products in the home and kitchen niche. Select the top 3 products with strong profit margins, create complete Shopify listings for each one, optimize them for SEO, launch promotional campaigns on Instagram and X, and auto-reply to any comments or messages that come in real time. Send me a full progress report and business summary on my Gmail while I'm out. Hit enter. Now watch what happens. Okay, see this? It's not just generating a response. It's spinning up a full agent team in real time. There's the market research agent pulling trend data right now. It figures out which specialists are needed, breaks the task into subtasks, and runs them all in parallel. You don't assign anything. It self-organizes. Once the research is done, it will come with some ideas. You just have to confirm it. Now, it moves forward to the next steps. The agent is now deploying another skill and researching the market to find the best products. The product research is done, and now it comes through the best products with all the information. Now, in this method, you have to follow the steps and confirm every step. If your Shopify store is not connected, you have to connect it. Now, the Shopify agent has kicked in. It's building the product listings, title, description, bullet points, pricing, SEO tags, all 3 products at the same time. And here's something I love. It just drafted a supplier negotiation email through the Gmail connector for the portable blender. Not a template I have to copy, an actual email ready to send. My agents are working while I'm out running errands. I'm grabbing coffee, meeting a friend, and handling life. And my Shopify store doesn't even need me. Let me show you exactly what I came back to. I'm opening Telegram on my phone right now because this is where my agent team reports to me. I didn't have to log into the desktop. I didn't have to check a dashboard. They came to me. Here's the first message from my master agent. Hey, here's your real-time business update. All 3 product listings are live on your Shopify store. SEO optimization complete. We are live now. And look, it doesn't just tell me the number. It gives me a full breakdown. That's the business model right there. You become the CEO. The agents are your staff. All right, now I want to show you something that honestly blew my mind the first time I saw it. Because everything we just did was for an online store. But Accio Work can also help you set up a physical offline store from scratch. Let me show you exactly how. Say you've signed a lease on an empty retail space. You've got 4 blank walls and no idea where to start. Here's what you do. Take a photo of the empty space, upload it right here to Accio Work. I'm going to type, this is my empty shop space. I want to open a kitchen and home goods retail store. Generate a floor plan, create a 3D design, build a full procurement list, find suppliers, negotiate prices, and organize the shipping logistics. Watch this. The design agent is running. It just generated a 2D floor plan of the space. Shelving layout, customer flow, display areas, checkout counter placement. All from one photo. Now it's rendering a 3D visual of what the finished store could look like. Actual colors, product placements, lighting suggestions. This would have cost you hundreds of dollars to get from a designer. It just did it in about 45 seconds. Now here, the sourcing agent is building the procurement list automatically. It knows what a kitchen goods store needs. Display shelving, signage, point-of-sale hardware, initial product inventory. It's itemized with estimated costs. And now, this is where it connects to the real world. It's matching suppliers on Alibaba.com's network for each item on that list, comparing quotes, delivery timelines, minimum order quantities. And right here, through the Gmail connector, it's drafting individual negotiation emails to each supplier, personalized to each product category, ready to send. You review the emails, approve, they go out, and as suppliers respond, the agents track it all, comparing offers, flagging the best deals, and pushing updates to you via Telegram when decisions are needed. The entire setup process that used to take weeks of back and forth, sourcing calls, designer meetings, supplier negotiations, compressed into hours, and you're only ever needed for the key approvals. That's what autopilot era actually means. Alright, that's the full walkthrough. If you've been wanting to start a store, grow a business, or just stop doing all the repetitive work yourself, this is the tool I'd start with right now. If you want to experience it firsthand, download the Accio Work desktop app and unlock extra bonus credits available through the link in my description. Build your own AI-powered business team and see what it can do for you. Like the video if this helped, subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you in the next one. Let's go.